Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. This is going to be component location and information of your Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor on a 2014 to 2019 Toyota Corolla. Now the location of your Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor is right outside the exhaust manifold before the catalytic converter, right there in the exhaust stream. To replace this oxygen sensor, you might want an oxygen sensor socket, which will make this job way easier, and let me show you my socket set. This here is my oxygen sensor socket set that I use. Has a wide variety of different size sockets and also 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive sockets. Also, if you can't get a socket wrench into some tight spaces, this one has like a drive that you could use a open in or a box in on as well. To replace this oxygen sensor air fuel ratio sensor, you're going to have to reach behind the engine in front of the firewall right down there on the back side of the engine and access this oxygen sensor. The connector is located right on the back side of the valve cover, really easy to get to, and always make sure you get a direct replacement OEM quality oxygen sensor when you replace these. Never get a splice in, they never last, and they just suck, period. So a direct replacement that connects right into the wiring harness is the way you want to go. Now these oxygen sensors should be replaced, or air fuel ratio sensors should be replaced about every 100,000 miles on pretty much any vehicle. Now if you have a lean or a rich code, I wouldn't go directly and think that this oxygen sensor is bad. That might be letting you know that there is another issue in the engine, such as a leaky injector, a stuck shut injector, a vacuum leak, an exhaust leak. A number of things can be causing a rich or a lean condition. If you have a circuit malfunction or a heater circuit malfunction, in that case, I'd be more inclined to think that this oxygen sensor air fuel ratio sensor has gone bad. Now, if this video helps you out, make sure to comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle. If you have any questions about this component or your vehicle or another vehicle, as well, comment below. I'll hopefully get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.